thing that's gonna make you $5,000 a month as a nutrition coach has nothing to do with some advanced nutrition hack or some marketing magic that's gonna get you 100 clients overnight. As much as I would just like to sit here and say that. And trust me, that would make what I do a lot easier. That's just not the reality. The reality is to make $5,000 a month as a nutrition coach right now, you need some fundamentals in place that most aspiring nutrition coaches just don't have. So in this video, I'm gonna take you through those fundamentals and share literally every piece of advice that I have to help you make $5,000 a month as a nutrition coach and leave your 9-to-5 job. No theory, no fluff, just the exact steps I would take if I lost everything and I needed to build up a $5,000 per month nutrition coaching business. Step 1, forget everything you know about nutrition coaching. If I were starting over, the first thing I would do is throw out the conventional playbook. And here's why. Most basic nutrition certifications, they teach you how to build a business like it was 2015. And that's if they teach you the business side at all. Here's what they tell you. They tell you to sell your coaching by the hour, which no one successfully online coaching is doing. Post generic content on Facebook. Maybe add your contact details to some certification database so clients can find you. Create a fancy website that doesn't go anywhere because no one really knows you. And recertify every year so you can prove to them that you can still coach, but they're still getting paid. And it's no wonder why they haven't been set up for success. This is exactly why many nutrition coaches struggle to even make $1,000 per month, and they have to pick up additional work. They can't do this full time. I would take a completely different approach by focusing on what's working in nutrition coaching right now, which is why I would focus on step 2, building that minimum viable coaching business. If I needed to hit $5,000 per month, I wouldn't focus on getting a fancy website. You don't really need one, especially at the beginning. Or creating business cards. Remember, no one knows you yet. Setting up an LLC or business documentation. You can wait for that until you're making money. Or going super high tech with complicated tech setups or sales funnels. You need something simple to start off. Or making sure your presence is everywhere on different social media platforms. You need to focus on one first. Instead, here's what I would focus on. And I would focus on creating the minimal viable coaching business. And I'd start with number one high value offer. I'd offer one-on-one nutrition coaching on a monthly basis at $250 a month with weekly check-ins. And I would try to attract clients that are trying to achieve a specific result. Then number 2, I'd focus on one marketing channel. I'd pick either Instagram if I like to create visual content and I know my clients are hanging out there. If I like to do long form content and I'm good on video, I'm gonna pick YouTube. I'll pick LinkedIn if I have professional experience or I'm trying to attract more corporate style clients, or Facebook groups if I'm already connected there or I'm working with clients that are 55 plus. Then I'm gonna focus on one simple client acquisition system. It's gonna go from a simple application form to a free nutrition assessment, and you can use my free nutrition report process. You can find more details on that below. And once you provide that value, you're gonna make a pitch to your paid coaching program. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. Just 3 components. Here's the deal. You can't wait to make money because you won't survive it. You gotta get some clients into your system so you can prioritize your coaching. And from there, you're gonna get some coaching experience. This is the best place to start. You need a minimum viable coaching product. This is the exact situation that Coach Melissa found herself in. Coach Melissa followed this process to a T within our 90-day program. And by the end, she had 10 paying clients. She had her own personal transformation story and she wanted to help others, but she wasn't sure what to do next. Just by telling her story and showing up as a coach that could be hired, she got people interested and they took the next step. And she got those 10 paying clients. No website, no fancy tech stack or complicated systems, just making things obvious and keeping it simple. Step 3, position yourself as a specialist, not a generalist. If I were starting over, I would never brand myself as a health coach or a nutrition coach. I would get much more specific. And that's because by calling myself that, I would be the same as everyone else. I wouldn't stand out. No one would remember how I could help them. These terms are too generic. They're too much of a commodity. Instead, I'd work on positioning myself as the go-to expert that solves a specific problem for a specific type of person. For example, the hormone balance coach for women over 40, the performance nutrition specialist for CrossFit athletes, the gut health restorer for busy working professionals with IBS. You gotta use language that people know and understand, and then focus on the result you can deliver to them. I don't know if you know too much about my coaching background. When I first got started in nutrition coaching way back when, I worked with everyone and I marketed to everyone. And I did okay, but not great. And it wasn't until I started leaning into my passions and my experience where things finally started to take off. I was a competitive powerlifter and doing some powerlifting coaching, and I got really good at helping these athletes make weight through nutrition coaching. I got really good at manipulating nutrition for weight class athletes in the short term and the long term. And I started to get really specific with that. And I became the only person in my country that could take a powerlifting athlete from start to finish. Nutrition and training within the training environment, all the way to game day coaching and the person that would guide you right to the end, right to the finish line. Handling all the nutrition, training, and mindset and organization of competitive athletes in 2-hour weight class sports. Since I had all of these specific skills as a specialist, I started to stand out and I became the go-to person that could help these type of athletes. What do you think happened next? I could charge more for this. I became more experienced and there was more certainty around the result I provided. The more specific, the better. I'd rather be a big fish in a small pond rather than a minnow in the ocean. Next up, you're gonna need step 4. Build a system that gets consistent results. The biggest mistake I see new nutrition coaches making is that they're selling their time and not the results they provide. Let me ask you this. If you wanted to grow your nutrition coaching to $5,000 a month, which is why you're here, if I sent you a weekly email that was only 1 sentence long, and you followed that advice and you applied it and you grew your business to $5,000 per month, would you care if it took all my time to help you? Probably not. You'd probably be stoked that it worked. The same thing applies to your nutrition coaching business. You need to focus on delivering the thing that's going to get your client a result, and then take away everything that doesn't add to that. If I were starting over, I'd create a systematic process that delivered on client results. Components of my results machine would include, number 1, the free nutrition report. I'd create an assessment model that would show potential clients and clients I was taking on exactly what was holding them back from reaching their goals. Number 2, I'd create a customization framework. I would individualize these coaching programs based on the patterns I was seeing and how the client was coming to me, how they were presenting. Number 3, I would dial up the adherence amplifier. I would be baking things into my coaching process that made it so simple for my clients to follow. They'd have no choice but to follow it. And then number 4, we got the progress accelerator. I'd become so good at seeing these trends and seeing where my clients would ultimately struggle that I'm gonna overcome them before those plateaus and those barriers even happen. And then we just need a way to visualize all this with number 5, the transformation tracker. A visual way to document and celebrate all of this progress. Your client's gonna be pumped on this because they can see it all happening in real time. When you have all of this in place, the results are gonna be magic for your business. Take Coach Morgan, for example. She implemented this process in her coaching business and she went from struggling to keep 2 clients or 3 clients organized to having 24 paying clients and to having full certainty that when they followed her coaching, they would get results. She was able to make so much money in her nutrition coaching that she actually paid for a wedding. This system-based approach to your nutrition coaching is infinitely more powerful than just, I'll help you with your nutrition. Which leads us to step number 5. You need to master your sales conversations. If I were starting from zero, I would waste no time selling low ticket, $90 per month coaching packages. The math simply doesn't work. You're gonna need 50, 60 clients to make $5,000 per month, and you're gonna be working more than full time. Instead, I'd master a specific dialogue protocol that shows potential clients why your coaching services are worth more, why they should feel like they would want to pay way more to solve this specific problem. Here's the structure I'd use. Number 1, we'd uncover the true cost. Through the right questions, you're gonna help them uncover the true cost of not solving this problem. And get specific with it in terms of what are they wasting with time and money and energy not solving this problem. Number two, you're also going to help them establish the gap. They're going to need to see what they've tried before in the past and why it hasn't worked compared to what you're going to do now. Number three, you're going to present the transformation. With their help, you're going to vividly paint what life would look like if they were able to solve this problem and what they were able to do now. How does life get better? Then it's as simple as number four, providing the path. Once they know where they're going, all you're going to do is introduce why your coaching, why your methodology is going to get them there faster. Then number five, you're presenting the offer. All you need to do at that point, once you've outlined where they are and where they want to go, is present your coaching as the next logical step. You don't want to convince anyone to work with you. That's a sales process that's going to make you feel crummy. But with the right questions and the right framework, you can get others to see why it's in their best interest to go down this path with you. All it takes is the right step-by-step strategy. Take Coach Jesse, for example. Coach Jesse uses this exact framework to double his coaching rates while signing up the same amount of clients than ever before, essentially doubling the amount of money he was making. To make more money, you can't charge less. It won't work. You actually need to charge more, and you're only going to get there if you work on your sales skills. So if you're feeling like, I don't feel comfortable charging more, or no one is actually signing up for my current prices, or I don't know anyone that could afford more for coaching, then you need to use this framework to approach how you sell your coaching and the value it provides. With these types of conversations mastered, you're going to need a fraction of the clients to reach your $5,000 per month goal. Next up, you need step 6, create a reliable client referral system. If I wanted to build a stable $5,000 per month nutrition coaching business, I wouldn't want to constantly be wondering where my next client is going to come from. That's exhausting and unpredictable. Instead, I'd build a system for number 1, turning conversations into clients. Using my proven consultation framework, the free nutrition report, it's got an 80% close rate. I'd run with that. Number 2, I'd turn clients into success stories. I would document everything, every win, every result. I'd turn that into social media content. Number 3, I would turn success stories into referrals. When I document this progress and these results for the world to see, I would make sure that the people inside of the social circle of those clients are also seeing those stories. That's going to motivate them more than anything else. People that they know getting real results. This is going to generate 4 to 5 new leads per story. And lastly, I'm going to turn short-term clients into long-term clients. Once my clients reach their initial goal, it doesn't mean that they need to stop working with me. It doesn't mean that they want to stop working with me. I got to have a path for the logical next step, the next goal that they want to achieve with my help. This pipeline approach means you're not constantly hustling for new clients, wondering and praying where they're going to come from. You need something more predictable. And these new clients are going to come through the system and old ones are going to stay for longer. And lastly, step 7, you're only going to scale when you're ready. This is where most nutrition coaches get it wrong. They try to grow and scale way too early. They try complicated funnels, paid advertisements, maybe even hiring an assistant coach, try to make money through multiple offers that no one can really keep up with. If I were starting completely over, I would use the exact 6 steps I just described until I got to 10, 15, maybe 20 paying clients. I'd make sure I had a consistent client acquisition system in place. I'd make sure I had a predictable monthly income of $5,000 every month. And I'd make sure the fulfillment and the marketing and the business systems weren't taking me 60 plus hours per week of work. Only then would I consider scaling to the next level. And that's it, folks. That is literally the step-by-step process I would take to make $5,000 per month as a nutrition coach, starting from scratch so I could quit my 9-to-5 job. Here's the deal. If you follow every single step in this video, I can all but guarantee you're gonna make a $5,000 a month in your nutrition coaching business, and then you can do whatever you want. Maybe even quit that 9-to-5 job. But doing this alone is easier said than done. You'll need to develop and refine these acquisition systems on your own, learn how to have those sales conversations to make more money, all while trying to juggle your current job and responsibilities. So this leaves you really with 2 options. Number 1, do it yourself, knowing all the problems you'll face, and I wish you good luck. I really hope you get there. Or you work with me in the Nutrition Coaching Academy, where I give you the exact systems, frameworks, and the push and accountability to make your first $5,000 a month in your nutrition coaching business in 90 days or less. If you pick the second option, go click the first link in the description below to get more details and how to join us in our program. Also check out the video I have on the screen right here to learn why 90% of nutrition coaches fail and how you can be in the 10%. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.